Tallinn Baltic Sea. We just took off from the Tallinn airport. We see the cruise port and the Viru. This is the hotel I was staying. Viru Hotel, we can see from the top. And Vana Tallinn. This is the old city. Oliver, the tallest building. It's very good vision right now, so I was able to see everything. Goodbye, Tallinn. You can see it additional to the old city. It's a very big city right now. They have few big areas. You see this right now, ship and a port. It's Viking probably.
Då hälsar vi er en gång mycket välkomna ombord till oss på SAS den här flygningen över till Stockholm. Skylten med säkerhetsbältet på är fortfarande tänt. Med säkerhetsbältet fast spänt ett litet tag till. Också försiktiga när den öppnar halvturen så att ingen lik faller ut. Och på den här korta turen över till Stockholm idag så har ni för er som
It's a planned development with a lake in the middle. Sport complex.
Vi kommer att bjuda er på lite snacks och kylda drycker. Reser ni med oss i SAS Gosan är möjlighet att handla från våran vagnsortiment och priser hittar ni i prislistan i lotsfickan framför er. Tack.
Flight attendant
Once again,
speaks
welcome on
Swedish.
this SAS flight bound for Stockholm. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign, and we recommend that you keep the seatbelt fastened whenever seated. And please use caution when opening the overhead compartments. And some brief information about our onboard service today. If you are flying with us in SAS Plus in the aft of the cabin, we'll be happy to serve you cold beverages and snacks. If you are traveling with us in SAS Go in the front of the cabin, you have the opportunity to buy snacks and cold beverages from our bar trolley.
Okay, Tallinn, goodbye. And this is Valentina, luxury travel by Valentina. View, bird view, and Tallinn, Estonia. Small, little, beautiful country. Right now we can see already all farm area.